mamas, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a honest review on Evawigs Fake Scalp Transparent Full Lace Wig. If you want to see how I got this look and you want to see how I feel about this hair, keep watching. I really like this cute little box it came in. It came with a cap. It came with these little straps so you could adjust the wig without having to sew in a band. And it came with some clips and this super cute comb with their logo on it. So here's what the fake scalp looks like, okay? And then this is where you adjust the strap so that you don't have to sew in a band. And basically you could wear this like a glueless wig, okay? And the lace is transparent. I always have to wear transparent lace. The only thing I don't like about it so far is that they didn't put the fake scalp all the way up into the lace. So I feel like that little part is going to be showing. I'm showing you guys how the transparent lace looks on the wig head. It looks really good. It already comes pre-plucked, so I really like that. And also I like that the knots are already bleached, but I feel like I'm going to adjust this some more. I'm just showing you guys how it parts, and I definitely think that I'm going to be plucking the part some more to kind of make it look more natural. But so far it's less maintenance than me actually plucking a regular wig that's not pre-plucked. I know that I'll be wearing a middle part, so I'm definitely just going ahead plucking that part on both sides to kind of make it look a little bit more wider and natural. I'm not really going to get too detailed into this, but you could just watch me as I do this right here. And you just kind of want to make the part a little bit more wider. So now I'm done plucking. This part looks pretty natural to me. So I definitely think I'm gonna go ahead and get into the styling. So the hair already came straight, however, I want it to be super silky and super straight. It feels really good. It doesn't have a weird smell or anything to it. I did not wash it. I'm just showing you guys how you could put this wig on straight from the box with like low maintenance. So to make it really flat at the top, I'm going to spray some silkening mist, and then you want to take your hot comb. Make sure you spray something first and then take your hot comb, because it will really make it like lay super flat, okay? I see a lot of people on YouTube don't put nothing on their hair when they hot comb it and it still looks humpy. Okay, girl, a fucking mess. So now I'm just attaching the band. So literally this is so cool because it straps kind of like a bra strap. You just hook both straps on both sides and then you adjust it like a bra strap. So I put it to the furthest one out so that it could fit really snug. We're going to make this glueless, okay? I'll just be using the Sally Hansen airbrush legs to spray the lace. Now I'm only wearing the cap because they sent it. So I'm just trying it on and, you know, just seeing. So far so good. Again, my only issue is that part where the fake scalp is and the lace. I feel like they should have put the fake scalp all the way up into the lace. So now I'll just be cutting the lace off. I'm actually going to kind of cut some of the front of the lace where the baby hairs are. I'm going to, well, where the baby hairs are supposed to be, I'm going to cut some of that off because I feel like it's just too, I don't know how to explain it. I just feel like it's just too far up, if that makes sense. Like I said, they should have definitely put some fake scalp on that area because it does not blend. So now that all the lace is cut, I think I'm just going to put some Got To Be glue on the 2 flaps just so that it can lay flat. I'm not going to be doing a whole bunch of crazy baby hairs or anything because I'm trying to make this like a glueless wig where you can take on and off, low maintenance. So I'm just only going to spray the end so that that can lay down. So now I'm just going to cut some baby hairs. Actually, I don't even know why I cut all that on the side because I'm not even going to be showing that. Yeah, I think I just wanted to do something like super sleek today. I always do baby hair, so I'm like, let me just chill. But I definitely will put a little baby hair swoop in the front. I feel like it gives the wig a little bit of character. So I'll definitely just be swooping the front area, especially because I'm trying to hide that separation from the fake scalp and the lace. I'm still kind of learning how to do my baby hairs. I have not mastered it yet. That's why I really don't get into depth or detail showing you guys how I do it because honestly, I really don't know what the fuck I'm doing. To get her to lay super flat, I'm going to be taking some wrapping or foaming lotion, whatever you call this, and I'm going to be putting it on the top of my head so we can slick her down. Make sure you get a rat tail comb and slick her down, honey, okay? We don't like no lumps, no bumps, and no humps. I'm not liking the way this part looks, so I'm going to take some of my concealer and basically a flat concealer, angled or whatever type of brush you like, and just take it and put it in the middle of the part to kind of make it look more natural. And I'm going to bring it up a little bit towards the lace. Hopefully that will help out with that little separation that I am not liking. So far I'm really liking the texture of the hair. It feels really good, and definitely that concealer helped out with the part. So from a scale to 1 to 10, I will honestly give this wig a 7. And the only reason why I would give this wig a 7 is because I just don't like that fake scalp area. I feel like you still had to pluck it a little bit. I still feel like you had to do things to manipulate the knots. And also I just don't like that separation from the fake scalp and the lace. However, the hair feels really good, and I definitely think you could manipulate this wig and get it to be custom how you like it. If you like this video, make sure you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and all the information on this wig will be in the description. Bye. Love you guys.